So the difference between monitoring and management starts with real-time versus historic data. So monitoring in our world is really real-time information. It's how we react to what is happening right now, whether that's real-time monitoring of assets, understanding when a asset is tripped or when it's not compliant anymore. It's really about the real-time monitoring, and that's critical for customers because they need to keep plants running and they need to keep them compliant. Those plants deliver an outcome, which is part of the need that a customer requires to fulfill the outcome. So it's really about the real-time monitoring of assets. Now, when we talk about managing assets, it's really zooming out and looking at the total life cycle of assets. It's not only about a specific day and time in that asset's life cycle. It's about managing the overall life cycle. And then we start speaking to total life cycle management, the performance of assets, and also tracking the performance, the regulatory compliance, and also the uptime of these assets. So at Energy Partners, when we look at asset management, we really have three different pillars. We want to focus on uptime because that's a core requirement for customers. We want to focus on the regulatory compliance because a plant needs to run and it needs to be compliant. And then over above that, we want to focus on the performance of these assets. So, and if you look at the uptime and the compliance of assets and also the performance, that gives you a rounded view of that asset. And that's something that you can use to manage the life cycle of an asset.